So this is the shower head. It's a 5-inch high pressure shower head. And this one is the Egyptian gold color. Got the hose, same color. What I also like about this one is that you can easily swap out the water restrictors if you decide to use them, or you can remove them altogether. And they have a 2.5 gallon one right here. Now I didn't look to see what this one was, but look how easy it is to pull these ones out. You just pop them in and out, super easy. I'm gonna remove it completely because I don't like to use them. All right, so I changed my mind about the restrictor. I want to try both restrictors just to give you an idea what to expect with the water pressure with them, and then I'll do it again without the restrictor at all, just to see the differences with them. As for the hose, this one is fairly long, so I do like that. All right, so this is with the restrictor that comes in it. Let's go ahead and try it. So it doesn't really have a whole lot of pressure. It's not bad, but it's not great. Oh, and this one's got a jet. All right, so what I'll do is put the other restrictor in. All right, so now I'm placing the 2.5 gallon one in. All right, so, I mean, a little bit better. Let's try that jet again. So you got two different styles of jet. You got more of like a spray one, and then you got more of a stream. All right, and last but not least, let's try it without one at all. All right, so we're doing it with no restrictor at all. Now, my water pressure isn't really a whole lot better than that 2.5. But you got your fine mist. You got 8 different settings here. All right, so I'm gonna say overall, pretty decent water pressure. I like that you can remove that restrictor very easily and put one in very easily. The other thing I really like is the jet sprayer. I do like that this one has 2 different styles of jet spray, and it's pretty similar to another shower head that is my favorite one that has the jet as well. So I think that I will like this one. I'll definitely follow up with it later. But overall, it seems to be pretty nice water flow, nice pressure, and it looks nice.